It's early, boys. Saturday morning. We're heading to Rotterdam for a Cars and Caffeine. We're gonna meet my buddy RJ out there. Not sure what car he's bringing, but if I had to guess, it's gonna be that twin turbo Camaro he's got. So that hopefully he takes us for a ride and gets you guys some onboard footage of what a 7-8 second car looks like on the street. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of cool cars there, so I'll do some filming walking around there. Things I like, things you might like. Well, after hitting the car wash, we made it out to the Collar City Auto House Cars and Caffeine event, and as you can see, there were some supercars, Lamborghini, McLaren. There was a Supra. I didn't get over to see those before they took off, but a lot of variety at these shows, and that's something I think is really cool about the area. Is it's not one certain thing. Not a lot of trucks, but definitely some good times and some good friends. So let me get this thing parked and show you around. What's up, buddy? You know, if you're a redneck, white trash kind of guy like me, then of course this is the first thing that catches your eye.
It fits so well together.
Always wanted that El Camino, so this thing is the next best thing.
No, this is that car people debate about on the road. But it looks so good. So it's all right.
Sailor Steve brought out the old Jensen, the Interceptor.
This dude right there on the spot. I was like,
Look at that interior.
I did not expect that.
So this isn't something I would normally, I mean, I wouldn't go spend my money on this thing, but the exhaust and turbo setup on this thing is pretty sick, and I bet you it'd be a super fun track car. I mean, even like a backcountry road. I don't know if I would. I don't know, this thing's pretty cool. Check it out. Just a small turbo?
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Still filthy under here.
Wow.
But it holds.
Just a little one. How big is that?
88, 96.
88.
Just a little guy.
Now here's the part probably most you came here to see, and that is this beautiful twin turbo Camaro that belongs to my buddy RJ, and he was nice enough to take us for a ride along, so enjoy.
I heard someone else going for it. Oil pressure's good. Oh my
Beautiful, bro. What size you running?
66. Good? Yeah, that was the biggest thing, right?
In these next couple clips, you're going to hear me make some pretty funny noises. I get pretty excited in situations like this one. So, yeah, sit back and enjoy.
This thing is sick. Let's go, baby! Oh my God!
boy RJ. That's his Camaro. We're gonna do a little walk around here.
That's all, boss.
This one here is my favorite in the whole collection. Yeah, race cars. This is like the first fast car I ever really got to ride in. Can't remember the setup. I think it's a blower.
It's a 496 blower motor, 871. Runs good. She used to be fast back in the day. Just doesn't cut it nowadays.
Yeah.
Future projects. We'll get to her. No motor. One day.
She's a roller. Yeah, there is a whole bunch of stuff back there, and as summer rolls on, I'm sure we'll be taking a lot of these out. We'll go a little more in depth with everything. Actually, a pretty funny story with this one, but I'm not going to tell that just yet.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you remember that day. This is a car he was driving before that Camaro. I'll cut to a couple clips of this thing dragging the bumper.
Yeah, we had a good time with her, and then we were spraying a little bit too much nitrous in her. The old 540 couldn't hold. We split her in half, and then we fixed it, another one in her, and moved on to turbo cars.
Gotta stay with the times. The lighting in here is pretty bad, but you guys can see.
We'll get them all
Just
out one day.
beautiful classic Chevys, forward control Jeep. We take this one up to the Adirondack Nationals, pile everybody in the back, cruise the strip. I believe that Jeep's got a V8 in it.
I caught that on fire in the middle of a parade one year.
You caught it on fire?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
People were running over, dumping their beers on it, trying to put it out.
Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, this thing right here. What's that? That's a 496?
That's a 396.
396 with a 4-speed.
She runs pretty good.
Yeah, this thing's a beast.
Gets it around. We tow the cars with it, actually. They all get driven.
Look at the paint, too. All the paint is just immaculate. I gotta get my truck looking like that.
Cob job, my shop. Get out with your fucking back windshield wipers like that. And the car wash like, no, I didn't do it.
We gotta get these puppies going. We're going full send at Mountain Madness this year. We
See where
gotta.
they like smooth trucks out, like they drop them real low. They smooth the door handles. How easy it is to do.
Wow. That's quality too. Shaved it. Dukes of Hazzard style. No door handles.
Done it, blown that one out.
I don't have steel toes, so that didn't feel good.
I get it.
RJ, get that for me. Thanks, bud. Alright, so we just left RJ's. Unfortunately, we didn't get into too much crazy stuff with the car. He's leaving for vacation tomorrow, and he'll be back the following week. And I think we're going to head down to Lebanon Valley for the test and tune, so we'll get some better footage of that car in action. He just took me for a little ride today. I've never been in it since he's done all the EFI stuff, did the Holly. The car's crazy. Definitely look for more stuff with him. Anytime I'm with him, it's a blast. We're always doing something crazy. And as you've seen, he's got quite a collection of cars. So if you're interested in like seeing that kind of stuff, we can do more of that. He's on board with everything. He's probably going to end up being my partner with the events we're going to try to do at Lebanon Valley Speedway. He's got a good relationship with them. They've been drag racing there for years. I feel like they'll be able to help me draw a bigger crowd. I got a lot of friends that do certain Facebook groups and just different, you know, there's so many people around here. There's such a car scene that doesn't really get, you know, the credit it deserves, because even though we're in the Northeast, we're out in Florida and California and Texas, we got a lot of car heads around here, a lot of car guys, and I think we could do something really crazy, have some really cool events up here in the Northeast that would draw tons of people. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That's going to do it for this episode. Tune in next time. We're going to get this bike going. We're going to get her all cob jobbed up, get her sweetened up. And, yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching.
He lost the 5. He lost the exhaust. Let's go.